So, here's a question for you. How do you navigate the world of exam results in the digital age? It's an exciting time for students in Bihar, India, as the Bihar School Examination Board, or BSEB, is gearing up to release the Class 10 board exam results. But what's the deal with all these different websites and steps to access your scores? Let's dive in and explore this intriguing process. First things first, the BSEB is expected to announce the results this week, which is a big deal for students who've been eagerly awaiting their scores. And the person with the power to reveal these results? None other than BSEB Chairman Anand Kishore, who will be hosting a press conference to share the news. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You'd think accessing your results would be a simple click away, but there's a whole process involved. The BSEB has multiple official websites, each with its own unique URL. There's NDTV.com, BSEB.com, and results.biharboardonline.com. Each website serves as a gateway to your academic destiny. Personally, I find it fascinating how the internet has transformed the way we access information, especially when it comes to education. It's no longer about waiting for a printed report card. It's about navigating through digital portals. Now, let's break down the steps to access your results. Imagine you're on a quest to unlock your academic achievements. You start by visiting the official website, results.biharboardonline.com. From there, you embark on a journey of clicks and inputs. You click on the BSEB Matric Result 2026 link, enter your roll code and roll number, and voila! Your result appears like a treasure unveiled. But wait, there's more. You can also check your results via the NDTV board exam page, which adds another layer of accessibility. On the NDTV website, you navigate to the Board Exam Results 2026 page, specifically the Bihar Class 10 Board Exam section. Here, you enter your personal details, including your name, roll number, board, class, and stream. It's like a digital identity check. With a simple click of the Submit button, your result is revealed. It's almost like a game, but with real-life consequences. What many people don't realize is that these online result portals are more than just websites. They represent a shift in how we receive and interact with academic feedback. It's a digital revolution in education, making information more accessible but also adding a layer of complexity. In my opinion, it's a double-edged sword. On one hand, you have instant access to your results, but on the other, there's the potential for confusion and technical glitches. So, there you have it. A simple process of checking exam results becomes a journey through the digital realm. It's a fascinating intersection of education and technology, and it makes me wonder how future generations will experience the thrill of exam results. Will it be through virtual reality or something even more innovative? Only time will tell. For now, Bihar's students are on the edge of their seats, awaiting their digital destiny.